Hi everyone, welcome to our latest update. In this release, we're introducing new ways to build richer custom detail pages, improving the work handover experience for admins, and sharing an important notice about the retirement of legacy aggregate tables. Let's start with what's new. Custom detail pages now support more data sources across multiple components. This means admins can create more complete and informative detail pages by displaying data from related forms directly on the same page. For example, instead of adding extra fields to a form or switching between different pages, teams can now review connected business data in one place. Admins can also configure filters to control which records are shown, and apply sorting rules to organize the data more clearly. This gives users a richer view of business context while keeping forms clean and easy to manage. The summary card, stage bar, field, and image components can now use data from the master form and from other forms and apps. The data table and list components can now display data from other forms and apps. With these updates, custom detail pages become more flexible and better suited for complex business scenarios. Next, let's look at what's enhanced. We've improved the Work Handover module to make the handover process easier and more efficient for admins. First, handover items are now easier to navigate. Instead of showing all items in one long list, handover items are now grouped by category. Admins can browse and filter items by system or by product, making it much easier to find the right items and complete the handover process more quickly. Second, pending task handover now gives admins more control. Only apps that have pending tasks will be displayed. Admins can select specific pending tasks to transfer or transfer all pending tasks with just one click. Please note that up to 5,000 pending tasks can be transferred at one time. If there are more than 5,000 pending tasks, they should be transferred in batches. Finally, we have an important notice about legacy aggregate tables. To simplify the product experience and support future improvements, Jodoo will retire legacy aggregate tables. Most legacy aggregate tables were automatically migrated by April 2026. However, some tables could not be migrated because they included unsupported or invalid configurations. Admins should review and upgrade any remaining legacy aggregate tables before the retirement date. To upgrade your aggregate tables, go to App Management, then open Aggregate Table. On any legacy aggregate table, you will see the option to launch the Upgrade Assistant. Click it to begin the upgrade process. That's all for this update. To recap, version 11.1.0 brings richer custom detail pages, a smoother work handover experience, and an important transition plan for legacy aggregate tables. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Jodoo update.